Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So Access Playlists, one of the best things about streaming music is how the platform learns your taste and serves up songs you might love, sometimes before you even know they exist. Amazon Music calls these recommended songs, and they appear all over the app, whether it's on your home screen, at the bottom of the playlist, or in any personalized stations. So these recommendations get smarter the more you listen. In today's small tutorial, I will show you where to find recommended songs and how to use them to keep your library fresh and exciting. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, you should go and check your home screen. Open Amazon Music and tap the Home tab at the bottom. For example, for me I'm using the browser, so it's gonna be on the top. And here you go, station my soundtrack starting with the Beatles, Eagles. That's something that I would like. So scroll down past the featured content, you will see several personalized roles I recommended for you. Songs and albums Amazon thinks you will like based on your listening history, or because you listen to some artist recommendations inspired by specific artists you enjoy. Then top picks for you, curated selections just for your taste. You will be able to see your soundtrack, a mix of your favorites and any basically new discoveries. So tap any song to play it immediately, or tap see all to view the full set. And that was it for today. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.